Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I am Matt Kenny.
And I'm Luke Lorenz. And I'm Jesse Beal.
We are representing FBLA and FCCLA. We are here tonight to demonstrate making a healthy after-school snack. This is all a part of our Healthy Living campaign. Tonight we are going to make energy bites. The ingredients that you will need tonight are 1 cup of oats, a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a half cup of flaxseed, a half cup of peanut butter, a half cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For added flavor, we will mix in 1 cup of shredded coconut.
This is optional. You don't need this if you do not like coconuts, like us.
Mix all ingredients together and form into a ball. So throughout this week, FBLA and FCCLA are promoting healthy dinners. So we will be sharing out recipes on our social media throughout the week. And on Thursday, we'll be having a device-free dinner to show just good old family time and communicating not on your phone but face-to-face with each other. And next week, then, the girls will be making a different after-school snack that'll be delicious.
And all these recipes will be available on Twitter.
Yes.
Thanks for the Miller Public Schools.
Well, how's the mixing going, guys?
You know,
Quite
we
sticky.
out here.
It's quite sticky.
Row.
So I hear basketball started today. I'm sure this after-school snack will be great to just rejuvenate yourself after a long practice.
Okay. Now you roll them up into a ball. You mix them all up, and then you form them into a ball with your handy-dandy little scooper.
And then you will put them on a plate, and then you will freeze or refrigerate those for 1 hour. And we are also demonstrating healthy hand washing tonight too, as Jesse Beal is doing a great job sanitizing his hands.
And they go from this to these beautiful works of art that will surely rejuvenate you from any sport that you choose to undertake.
Oh, those must be delicious. Very nutritional.
Very nutritious.
Can you touch the scoop? Did you just set down the table?
Well, thank you for joining us tonight. The full recipe will be posted to the Milford Public School Twitter and Facebook account. Also, we challenge you to take part in other activities throughout the week. Good night, and thank you for joining us.
Peace out. Big Beal.